Rich. Having a lot of money, valuable things, or something in large amounts, like flavor or color. The chocolate cake was so rich that even my spoon needed a nap after one bite. Poor. Not having much money or being in bad condition. I spent all my allowance on candy. Now I'm a poor kid with a very full belly. Easy. Not hard to do, simple. Tying my shoes is easy if I use duct tape. Hard. Something that is firm, solid, or not easy to bend or break. I tried to bite a hard cookie, but my tooth said, nope, and left my mouth. Boring. Something boring is not fun or interesting. My grandma's old TV only plays boring shows, like How to Knit a Sweater in 10 Hours. Exciting. Something that makes you feel really happy, thrilled, or full of energy because it's fun or amazing. It was so exciting to ride the roller coaster that I screamed louder than the ride itself. Interesting. Something that grabs your attention and makes you want to know more. The school lunch smelled weird, so I poked it with a fork. It moved. Very interesting. Lazy. Not wanting to work or move much, and preferring to rest or do nothing. The lazy dog didn't chase the ball, he just rolled over and looked at it like, nah, you get it. Busy. Having lots of things to do or working on something. Mom said she was busy, but the cat on her keyboard didn't seem to care. Sweet. Something that tastes like sugar or is very kind and nice. I found a sweet candy under my bed from last year. Yum. Salty. Something that tastes like salt, like chips or ocean water. My soup was so salty, even the spoon evaporated.
Spicy.
Something that has a strong, hot flavor that can make your mouth feel warm or tingly. I ate something spicy, and now I'm part volcano. Soft. Something that is smooth, gentle, or easy to press or squeeze. My pillow is so soft, I disappear into it every night. Wet. Covered with water or another liquid. I stayed dry until my dog shook his wet fur all over me. Dry. Not wet, having no water or moisture. My sandwich was so dry, it asked for a drink. 4 times. Fresh. Something is new, clean, or recently made. My dog rolled in mud, so after his bath, he smelled fresh, for 5 whole minutes.